What's up guys, Patrick here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace a busted O-ring in a remote line. Alright, so step one, I'm going to go ahead and screw down the knob and loosen up the set screw. Okay, step two, you're going to remove the knob, set that aside. Step three, you're going to unscrew this pin and remove it. It's going to go in through here and out the other side. Finish unscrewing it this way. Or if you need to, get a hold of some needle nose pliers. Okay, step four is to remove the damaged O-ring. Like so. And take the new O-ring for step five. Reattach it. Then you're going to want to add a little bit of lube to this, so when it's in the gun, it doesn't get eaten up by the CO2 that's going through it. Alright. Step six, we're going to replace the pin. Screw that all the way back in. Step seven is replace the knob. Eight, tighten down the set screw. There you are. You have successfully installed the O-ring in the remote line.